If you want to cast YouTube app to TV on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, what you can do is, of course, first of all, open the YouTube app, and then you have several options. For example, at the top, you might be able to find this icon, this TV with Wi-Fi. You can tap on it in order to try to select your device. And of course, you can try to also link your TV with the code, but you will need to find the TV code most likely in the YouTube app on your TV. And you should be able to choose it over here. In addition to that, of course, you want to make sure that you are using the same Wi-Fi connection, just in case. And not only over here in the main menu, but also if you already start playing the video, you should be able to find the option to cast the video to TV. So if you tap on the video, you should be able to find this button over here as well. And also in the full screen, you should be able to locate the button in the top right corner over here. So you can pretty much start casting at any point. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.